say keep dreaming, you know. I think I owe a lot to the younger me that was drawing pictures of me in the green jersey, and you know, it's thanks to the drive of my younger self that I'm standing or sitting here right now. So yeah, no, just keep working hard, and it'll pay off eventually.
Just make sure you enjoy it, whatever sport it is or whatever you're doing. Just make sure you really love it, and yeah.
I think piece of advice would be patient and trust the process more. Not to get over eager, and just really, like Aoife said, to enjoy it and to love what you do.
I think just stick with it, and like the lows are part of it and the highs are part of it. That when things get tough, you just lean on your friends, lean on your family, but just enjoy it at the end of the day, and don't take yourself too seriously.
Just embrace everything and really value the people around you and who you're doing it with.
Similar to Eve, like keep dreaming, and just like don't stop believing in yourself, and just keep working hard, because everything will pay off and there's always sunshine at the end of the tunnel.